Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel Technology and Paul. Today in this video I will be talking about how you can make your phone faster. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to do factory reset of your phone. Now what is factory reset? That means the settings, the program that came in your phone when you bought that phone, and your phone will go to that settings. And how you can do that? If you are using a latest phone, then you can find that in your phone, in your settings, phone settings, there is a search option. You have to go there, and then you have to search for the factory reset. And if you are not doing that, then if your phone is a bit older, then you have to search in your settings where the factory reset option is there, and then you can go and do the factory reset. Before doing the factory reset, please remember that you have to note the email and the password that you have used during the during reset of your phone for the first time when you bought that phone. Let's say you have bought a phone about 1 year or 1.5 years ago, and at that time the processor you chose for your phone was latest for the time being, and the software was latest version of the Android. And now as the time goes on, the apps are updated and upgraded, right? And the upgraded versions of the apps are very heavy for your phone, and when you actually factory reset your phone, all the updates and upgrade from your app, actually all apps are deleted, and all the software updates from your mobile is also deleted. Then when your phone will be in the condition of a newer one, and then you install only those apps which are actually required for your phone. Second, you have to off the auto update option from the Play Store, because as you install an app, and then the app is updated by the developer, and that update comes, and your mobile generally, actually the auto update option is on in the Play Store. You have to off that auto update option, and then you will get a fluid user experience. Next, there are some apps which are actually scam apps. Now why I am telling that these are scam apps? Let's say you see an apps in the Play Store which is actually useful for the background removal of your photo, and you install the app. When you are going to use the app need permission for subscription, right? And there is 3 days or 7 days or 1 month free trial, and then you have to subscribe for using of the app, and you have subscribed the app by giving your credit card number or debit card number and whatever required, and then after 3 or 7 days you forgot about that subscription, and your money is deducted from your account, and then you will be in a problem, because actually you are not using those apps, and you are paying a lot of money, say about 500, 800. Battery booster, mobile booster, or cleaner or clean master, like these apps, these are actually makes your phone not these actually they are what is the main function of these apps? They makes your phone faster, and this is shown in the Play Store, but this is not the fact. These apps makes your phone very slow. I have done this wrong thing before, and so I know that this happens with this app. So please, before installing these apps, be careful that you are not installing this type of Clean Master, power saver or battery saver, this type of, or battery booster, this type of apps. Then there are some banned apps. That means the government of India or the world, there are many apps those have been banned. Why? Because those apps were doing some criminal activities by taking your personal information from the phone. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and please be safe, be happy, and stay upgraded. Bye bye.